girl Sash, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, welcome. So today I'll be going on the road to run a few errands. I'm going to drop off a package at Knoxville Express, then I'm going to my courier place to pick up some PR packages that are ready for pick up. Before getting to the actual video, don't forget to like, subscribe, comment. So yeah, that's why I spend my life with you. I won't please you any way I can. I want to share my world, don't you understand? Your love is a one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give all day long. Your love is a one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give me a really good feeling all day long. Can't believe the rain is falling in. I can't believe it. I got no umbrella. Somebody did this. So really sweating. What's sand and stuff? When you can stay up this end, no? What did that? Alright. I look like one of them so they can stay up this end. Y'all are weird. Okay babies, I'm at Knoxville Express right now and the rain is tearing. And I left my handbag and my umbrella is in my handbag. So now I have to go bus a quick run and go inside. I'm trying to figure this shit out. Is this air gonna get wet? Same. Alright guys, so I'm gonna lock off the camera and then I'm going to my show now because I'm not risk for walking out the rain with my phone. So I'm reach inside, I start recording again, and then I have to stop for a minute because I have to give them the first information. So yeah, the rain is up the box, but I'm going to send this off and then get back to you guys when I reach my courier place to get my packages. Hopefully I can record coming up because this rain is trash and I don't have any umbrella. Say it guys. Now you're the one I'm thinking of. My higher ground, my rocket love. For gravity, I'd rather stay up here. We can get away. Palm trees, beach views on a night day. All I wanna hear is in the visions I replay. Sit right next to you. Thank you. And it's the worst thing ever. In the seat? Ugly, you know? Anyways, so I just called Brandy and she told me that I should meet her at her office. So I guess we're going to have lunch. I don't know where. So I'll just keep you guys posted. Listen, I ate that bumper so much. It makes me go like, what the fuck? But yeah, I'll keep you guys posted. Okay, so I'm currently at Brandy's office in the parking, waiting on her to get her ass downstairs. But yeah, I'm just here chilling. I reclined my seat. I'm just laying down. Yeah. So I'll keep you guys posted. So Brandy is finally here, and we're going to go to Tea Tree to have something to eat, cause I'm starving, baby. But yeah, I'm gonna keep you guys posted. Bad. Yeah, I'll keep you guys posted later. Alright, so we're here. I'm parked in this parking space, but no more space was left, so Brandy is parking outside. So let's go. No, in this store I do. Waiting there for myself. No, but not trying to own it. I'm not in the mood for that. Going back to our spot. Yeah. Aw, it's running, guys. We're here. So this is our drink. So we're just air waiting. Oh, and the food is here. Thank you. It's so pretty. So we finished eating. Everything finished. We have some more for a thingy left that we're bringing home. Yeah. But we're outside. I'll talk to you guys when I'm back in my car. And the food is okay. Not my first time here. Brandy will need to go somewhere different next time. Definitely. But we fell for this though today. Yeah. So anyways, bye. Okay guys, so we're leaving. I have a little very tired. Okay. The day is giving sleep. You know, we're very sleepy. I'm going to step in the water again. But yeah, lucky Brandy's going to work. She don't have to go in the traffic. I have a lot of traffic to go in, especially on Manningsville Road. But yeah, so I'll see you guys when I'm home opening my packages. Alright, so I'm finally home. I put up my thingy for my car and I'm gonna go inside. I am so freaking tired, honestly. Right now, I'm having backaches, headache, headache, well, cramp. Yeah. So as I promised, I'm going to show you guys what came in these packages and stuff like that. I really think these are 2 PR packages, but let's see. So the first thing is this scissors. I think it's a barber scissors. I really bought it for like my wig installation and if I want to cut my hair. But after I bought this, I ended up buying an scissors. I'm just going to use the scissors to like cut my hair, which I don't necessarily think I need to do because I'm going to cream my hair this month. But anyways, I already bought it. And it's a case where it is a little bit smaller than the one that I originally have, 2 inches smaller. So yes, I have 2 now to work with, which will make life way easier. I got stacking caps in the package, which was unexpected, so thank you from wherever I bought this from. Then I got this, which is basically to set up like a little tripod to put the mannequin head on, so I can put on my vanity sets. I think, I don't know, I'll have to figure out how this works because I really don't know. Then I got these. I'm not sure what these are. Oh, so this is tray, just in case I want to make a wig. These are needles. I don't necessarily need these because I have like a pack of needles with curved needles, straight needles, but anyways, I appreciate it. I have these too, so I have a pack with the both of them, like a lot, but extra is good, why not? And I think this is if I want to make a wig. This is like a cap to make wigs on, so yeah. Then the next thing is this band, and this band is basically what I'm gonna use it to do is tie my head to make my edges lay. So yeah, this is the first set of stuff. Oh, so as I thought, this is a PR package. This is some wigs from Ashmary. So yeah, I have this video to do, so you guys will see that sometime on my channel. And then this is the next one from One More. Yeah, so you see this video soon too. So yeah, those are all the packages I got today, and I got notification about another one being available, but you know, I already came home, so I probably schedule a delivery for that. So yeah, and I'm just so exhausted, honestly, because I wasn't feeling well before I left out. My belly hurt, I'm having cramps, my back hurts, my head hurts, I'm weak as hell, and I'm just, you know, I'm just really tired. Also, I did a video on this wig from Beauty Forever. You guys can go and check it out. So this morning when I was leaving out, I sprayed it with water, and this is what it looks like now. Yeah, I don't know how this looks because I cannot see, but when I'm editing it, I'll see it. But yeah, guys, that's it for today. So as you guys can see, today's a new day. Today I'm going to the orthodontist, then I have a lash appointment, and then I'm going to collect some packages from my courier place again. If I knew things that have been available for pick up today, I would have done everything one time yesterday. But anyways, that's what I'm trying to get done. Yeah, then I'm going to try and rush to come back home because I really can't take the traffic. So I'll keep you guys posted. Alright, so I went to orthodontist, get this, and then I'm at my career place now, in a line or waiting. I don't want to show nobody face. So yeah, so after I leave here, going to go to my lash appointment, and then I'll keep you guys posted on what I do for the rest of the day. So yeah, you see how my lash looks scanty and weird. Yeah, I'm gonna get these done up. But yeah. Alright, so I'm in my car. I get through pretty fast. Like this man, oh, I signed up for the premium. I wish there was premium because listen, I come here very often. I really love my career place though, to be honest. Just I have to wait a little bit long on things, but love them bad. But anyways, I got my packages. So it's 4, I know these are 4 wigs. And guess what is this, guys? I bought a black job. Yes, I bought a black job because, you know, girl have a ton of things for YouTube videos. So yeah, that's that. So I'll show you guys later again when I go home. You know, I did something like this yesterday. So now I'm going to go to my lash appointment. So now I got my lash appointment because my lashes are trash. So yeah, that's that. I gotta play my music so later y'all or which way you take to get to her. But yeah, I'm here. By the way, she's at 12A Malone Road. So I put her information down in the description box, and I'll show you guys a little bit of when I'm getting my lash done and all those good things. So yeah, I'm gonna put on my mask when I reach upstairs because it's fun, but I don't know where in here is she. So I'm going to call her and then get back with you guys. So this is Alexis, guys, and this is her business.
I told you you were beautiful. Would you date me on the regular? Tell me, would you? Well, baby, I've been around the world, but I ain't seen my...
Yeah, so she's going to play my lashes, and when I finish, I'll show you guys her.
Tell me, would you? See, what's the point in waiting anymore? Cause girl, I've never been more sure that baby, it's you. This ring here represents my heart and everything that you've been waiting for. Just say I do, because I can see us holding hands, walking on the beach, our toes in the sand. I can see us on the countryside, sitting on the grassland side by side. You could be my baby, let me make you my lady. Girl, you amaze me, ain't gotta do nothing crazy. See, all I want you to do is be my love. So don't give away my love. So don't give away my love. So don't give away. Ain't another woman that can take your spot, my love. So don't give away my love. So don't give away my love. So don't give away. Ain't another woman that can take your spot, my love.
Alright guys, so it's finally finished. I love it. It's her own vibe. It's giving the girls pretty. But yeah, all the information for Alexis will be down in my description box. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, and go and show her love. All of that. So in here is mad dark because it's like everything is done for me after 6. But your good sis is going home now. The service at Alexis' place is really nice, and I want to say thanks to her, and you know, congratulations. I love see young people rising and doing them thing. Service was very good. I wasn't allergic to the glue, and I have really sensitive eyes, guys, and I'm just loving everything. Yeah, so I'm reach home, I got show the package and all of those good things. So yeah, okay baby, so I'm finally home and I'm going to open my packages to show you guys. You know what I can show you in deep details I will, but what I can't, I'll just probably show you the box. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment. Oh, this is the color I got today, so it is silver. I'll be giving you guys dentist braces updates, braces journey updates. I don't know what this is. Like, am I the only person that gets so excited when I get packages? Like, what is this at the phone again? So I'm gonna put. So they send the bag. Yeah. But you guys know you'll get the video soon. For y'all. Another one. At this point, I need a hair store. But I already have a hair store though. If you know, you know. Another one. Yeah, this is part of the surprise, but not all of the surprise. I feel like my current place have it, but then just never give me. So when I get everything, I'll show you guys. But I want to show you what came in the package. I really don't know what is this. I think these. Let me tell you. So about a backdrop stand. Oh, so this is the carrying bag with the backdrop in it. 4 spring clamps and sandbag. Where's sandbag for? I don't know the sandbag for. Most of the sandbag must for add weight. Man, when the time comes to figure it out, I'll figure it out. I really wanted to do the setup for this with you guys, but as you can see, me get this, I'm gonna get the backdrop. So of course, I will definitely show y'all. Y'all are my babies, y'all are my booty. So what am I gonna do right now? Oh, I ordered KFC. Uno momento. So I ordered KFC for dinner. KFC, this is free promotion. Y'all need to sponsor me so I can get some free KFC for a while. Yeah. If you know, you know why the sticker did it. Yeah. So that is for dinner. Today was actually a good day. Was very productive. I went to orthodontist. I went and picked up these packages, and then I went to get my lashes done, and I got food. I can't tell you enough how much I love you know, and I love the support I've been getting. I love the growth, guys. I'm just so grateful. It's unbelievable. And as you know, giveaway, I'm going to put it on the screen. Like, go and join the giveaway. The post is on my Instagram. Go and join, because we're on road to 20k, guys. I need to reach 20k by December. I have all the gifts and everything already, but that's how we reach 20k. And for me to reach 20k, you guys need to join the competition. You guys need to share my videos. You guys need to promote the channel. Like, we are a family. We need to get that 20k together. We need the baby family for grow. We need babies nation. I don't know. Only you guys are just my babies. But one name at the restaurant, I'm gonna still say hey babies, you know. I want a different name. Nah. Babies. You guys are Sash babies. Yeah. The family need to grow. And the family only will grow if you guys are helping Sash to grow the family. So y'all know what to do. Share the videos, send your friends, send your family, send your group chat. Yeah, so them can come subscribe. Tell them to come and subscribe to my bestie channel, because y'all are my besties. That's on per. I always reply to the DM and them somebody only can some don't treat to no good. We're gonna give away. I wanna for join. So yeah, guys, bye. That's it for today. I have nothing planned for the rest of the day. I'm going to wrap up my ear. Figure out what I'm gonna do with all of them package here. And eat. I haven't ate. No, I ate breakfast, like, but that's all I've ate all day. I went tightening today, so my mom kind of hurting me. But yeah, see y'all tomorrow. I'm so loving my hair. It's from Beauty Forever, and this is how it looks when it's dry. So long. Oh, so long. I probably give away a wig one of these days after my installation. So watch my videos. So when the good things are coming, I can see. Bye, guys. Love y'all. Hey baby, so I'm literally just getting up out of bed. I have a new bump. Now it's been there for a couple of days, but I never see it yet. And I wake up super stuffy, but I have sinus, so probably that's why. So the plan for today is, it is after 10. I woke up earlier, but I was still feeling tired, so I went back to sleep. So the plan for today is I'm going to go to my insurance place to pay my insurance. Last of it for the year. Thank you, Jesus. Thank you, thank you, thank you. And then I'm going to leave from my insurance place and go get my nails done. It's been done for a while, and I need to get them fixed. And my toes, can't even show y'all my toes because I always wear gel and my nails never have any gel, and then the regular nail polish have a tendency of stripping off for me. So that happened. So yeah, but oh my god, actually I normally want all that thing. I have to do nails, I would chat, and I think I'm going to get a pedicure too because I haven't done a pedicure in a while. So today is girl fix up herself there, period. Alright, so I'm at general accident now, waiting to see the person to have my policy, and then after I'm finished I'm going to nail tech. I broke one of my fingernail when I was going into Lola. I don't know if I broke my fingernail when I'm going to my car. But yeah, I'm just here waiting in this corner right here. So I'll keep you guys posted when I reach nail tech. Like, in this mask is so, you know, like when you wear the mask and it drag up and the thing in it tickling you, that's all inside of it, yeah. But anyways, I'll keep you guys posted. Alright, so I just left the road for the traffic. I don't know if the traffic thing, but that was quick. That wasn't long at all. And I love that for myself. So now I'm going to wash my car. Put up our car to say no, but better to be safe than sorry. So yeah, so now sis is going to the nail tech to get her nails done. This is not it. You know what's funny? I had breakfast this morning, but I am so hungry right now. I can't believe the woman are really parking on the road. But me, I'll come on to now, she could have one space there, so I want space there right there, and she's still parking on the road. And actually, oh, so come on now. Good timing. Good timing. This mask is suffocating me. In here is hot, man. So I'm back in Lola. So now I'm going to head to the nail tech. I'm so hungry, I'm so tired, I'm so everything. But yeah, keep you guys posted. You know, I won't necessarily vlog while driving because I'm trying to listen to some music to keep me in the vibe. So I'll talk to y'all when I get there. Period. Poo. I'm gonna drink some water because I'm mad thirsty. What could I ever take off the mask? I was dying. Happening. Time up, bud. Woo. Get some cool breeze. Result look a bit hot, man. But yeah. Later, guys. So I'm at the nail tech. No. May I go? Somebody else. Her. Girl, the time is so hot. But yeah, I'll keep it as posted. Actually, a bad I go in there. So you can comment and say, that's me. So this is the place, guys, and I'll insert their name so you guys can come and support them. And I don't know, Ashley look a section. Ashley over the side. But
it's not that I want you here. Yeah. It's not the way you stare into my eyes. I know that I don't make things clear. I fall for you every time I try to resist. You get away. On trees, beach views, and every day. All I wanna do is send pictures on replay. Still right next to you. You do. Try not to show. How I feel about you. You wish you were. You don't really want. I just wanna get away. Just stay right next to you. You. I wanna kiss you. Yeah, I just wanna feel you. Feel you. I want you around. Around. I want you around.
so today is the next day, guys, and as y'all can see, I'm stuck inside because it's been raining all day. It's true. Like the sky kind of clearing up now because it was really bad earlier, so it's not too bad now. But I heard that on the flats it's like flooding out, so I've been inside. I'll tell you guys a little bit of what I did today, seeing that I won't be outside recording anything because bad weather. So as you guys know, every day is business as per usual, so I uploaded those 2 videos at the top today. I edited them and post them as unlisted, but those are sponsored videos, so you know sometimes they take a while to get approved. And then I got orders, wig orders, so I packaged them out and stuff. So as I say, every day is like I always have something to do even when I'm inside. So yeah, well, I work inside after all, so it makes sense. So the plan now is I have some wigs for PR, more wig videos. Yes, more wig videos. So the plan is I'm going to record a wig video right now. I probably do a Shein clothing all thing that I wanted to do for the longest time, but the thing is I'm not going to show everything. I'm going to like show probably like the top, and then I'm going to show the top and then insert the picture beside it so you guys can see like what the full body thing look like. But I'm going to try my best to do that. So yeah, I'll probably show you guys the setup and stuff like that, but as you guys can see, the weather is very bad today, so I spent my day inside. I'm going to do my little setup to record. So this is my backdrop. That's my backdrop stand. So when I'm finished setting it up, I'll show y'all. Okay guys, so this is my setup, my ring light, you know, my vanity set with a little light, My camera is normally right here, and then that's my mannequin, you know, over there mannequin, and then this is my backdrop. Yes sir. So this is my little section for y'all, you know. Yeah, I gotta keep it cute and shit. So yeah, this is what I'm about to do. Today was a very short day. Hey baby, so this is the next day, and this is the wig that I showed you guys that I was going to install last night. So this is it, and this here is from Ashmere. You can go and check out the video when I install this wig. So today the plan is to go to Knoxville to drop off a package, then go to New Kingston to do some business. Like I'm going to New Kingston, I think I'm going to make a quick stop at Starbucks. You know, it's been a while since I've been to Starbucks and just vibe a little. And then I have to go to UTech to deal with some stuff. UTech are the packages I need to drop off 3 ways, but this in a different packaging because I'm not sure if the customer is going to collect it from me today. I don't know if I did it with the tissue paper, it probably would crush and look ugly. So that's what I'm gonna do today. Yes, I'll keep you guys posted. And then I'll get back to you when I reach New Kingston. I just sent out the package. I'm going to leave and go to New Kingston right now. As I say, that way here I get puffy, so puffy. But I'm reaching New Kingston and try what's up and stuff. So I'll keep you guys posted. I just reached New Kingston. My hair is very, 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 very puffy. I'm not that for myself, but I'm gonna try to wet it up. You want to see the security man just stand up and watch me? He's not even a real freaking security. When me I come in, him could even pull the gate. I want so me have to pass him. Oh man say so. Man corrupt now, man corrupt bad. But anyways, I keep you guys posted. I have met for governor. So after I pay 200 in the parking lot run this, you know, I'm say alright then. Starbucks must have a parking lot. Come on here, so Starbucks don't have no parking lot. I have to go pay $200 all over again. Forget a space. Let's try. Yeah, I have to go pay $200 all over again to park right there, so just forget look at Starbucks. I don't understand why they are poor people, so I said to the man say if I still have to pay, seeing that I never stay for 1 hour. The man say yeah. And at the same thing, the girl when I said to me, you know, $200. You know, she say them want poor people to stay poor. None of that for myself. When me taking taxi, you see when I take taxi, you don't worry about parking. I'm putting right myself at this point. Over everything. Yeah. Point. Yeah, for pay regardless. In there. Why am I locking myself in my car and I should be coming out? Make it make sense. Yeah, I'm gonna go check after we get today. After the video. Because at first it was giving cute and then now it's giving always dry. And I don't like that. I let them know. Can't take the dry wig business. We can't take the puffy business. You know what? I can't. There, guys. I think this is Alright, this is more like me. I can take cheese Danish or what's a croissant, and for drinks I can probably take a caramel wrap with extra wood. I will take a tall, which is not the extremely big one. Yeah, that's the order for today. But in here is so hot. Like in here really hot, like hot. Can't get no food hot. But yeah, let's take a picture from my thumbnail and get back in store. But really upset about that 200 in pay 500 for parking space since we come done. And that is not okay. Like that not ever correct. That not legal. That's illegal. I'm so fucking pissed. But anyway, I can get a butter croissant. I want it warm. And tall caramel frap extra with. I can get nutmeg and I can get nutmeg and it. Yeah. Sash. S-A-S-H.
Okay, so no problem, I'm a good joy.
Extra wood. So they can put the drink here so I can get nothing space.
That's my favorite YouTuber right here. Alright, so what's up, blind date?
Okay.
Welcome to Powerful Kids tonight.
Okay. How?
1,050.
1,050? I had to get a money 50. Yeah, I remember working at Starbucks and once to get to. Yes, support the youth. Thank you. Alright. My order, like if you want to buy me Starbucks anytime, just buy me a caramel frap and I want extra wood. Starbucks is so expensive though. What the fuck? This is ridiculous. But yeah, I'm not seeing that mega pay. Oh, one of my subscribers working in Starbucks and he was talking to me. If you're watching this video, hi. But yeah, I'm waiting on my stuff now. But may I still come to them family because I'm really sad and may I wait up my time. Thank you. That's fine. Yeah, so this is it's giving food. And I have like some nutmeg thing on the top. And then give me an eye. That's an eye. I got through and run up the $200 when we pay for parking. take those food in the car. I'm trying to remember my ID number. Yeah, don't have time to like time over pretty time because I need something else and we're ready until like 10 minutes time. My overbite is like 50. I don't even know how much time I use on my 5 time. Go back to the So now I'm at UTech, but I come out of my car. I don't even know if I should be parked here, but I saw Resort Medical Center. I ain't going to no medical center, but I parked here regardless. So I'm going to find out why these people don't want me to leave UTech. Another fishy clean. Bing. Bing, bing, bong, bing, bong, bing, bong, bing, bong, bing, bong. Put on the window so the car can see Lola and the cuts real bad with stress on. Admin look full man. Closed. With a big fat sign. See? No parking on this stuff. I'm going to one look to the right of the line and the right to close that wall here thing. Anyways, I posted part of the security. Listen what I must say. Hi, good afternoon. I'm lunch. I can answer a question. I can just go in there.
No, I'm choosing for the circumstances. Normally it's 4 o'clock. But circumstances, that's what goes on for the day.
Oh, alright, thank you. Because depressed, ladies, the circumstances. Kind of circumstances. I wonder if I forgot my faculty office and find out if I feel like say if I go student record, I'm going to tell me say I have to come admission. Why today when I come early to try to start up my business, them close because of circumstances? Why them could close every other day because of circumstances? You want to see all the tree, mark the piece of car. We don't eat nigga. Oh, see if we can use Wi-Fi. I don't know deep scrape, you know, but I want a long scrape. I don't know if I can go to my faculty office. Talk to my program director and ask her what she can do for me. So, I know that career must can't stand a bone in my body at this point. Something I leak under my car. I don't know. Probably water. Right now, I'm tired of you taking an arm wally them just to make it harder every day. Why them I progress me? I'm done. Make it make sense. Them just don't waste people fucking time. But anyways, guys, I'm going to my faculty office to see if she can probably message them or something. I don't know. I'm gonna see what she can do for me. I'm gonna see what sis can do for me. Then I have to go out, come back. Why am I just ever do some things? Why? I could have go around the tree now. We'll drive in the tree and step up the yard. Sometimes I wonder if I sit down on my brain. And listen. But unless you can, but look at these trusses with the pop out, man. Look at these stressing me out. Ate the space. I don't want to bin them open. If me show that now in the so drop pan going to say a little me a little place. And I just baby. Can they just close down colleges permanently? Like, we don't want to be here. Anyways, I keep it okay, baby. So I'm finally home. And I bought this. I was in a lot of rush. I bought this flash drive 1 TB. So we shouldn't have any storage issues going further. Make sure them always empty my transfer every time I come. I go transfer it to this. So I'm going to go in now, and I am going to transfer some videos. Cause last night the video for this week that I did, like literally I used about 3 different memory cards to do this video. So I'm going to transfer these videos. While I'm doing that, I'm going to do my makeup and fix the wig, because I haven't done my final review on the wig. I really just recorded the installation, so I'm gonna do that, take thumbnail, all of that. Then I think I'm probably going to take off this wig, and I have a video for do one headband wig. I'm gonna do that and just get it out of the way. Yeah, so that's all I have to do. Then after the headband wig video, after I fix this wig, do the makeup, I'm going to do a Shein clothing haul. Breeze are going with itself, you know. And then I go see. Oh yeah, you can see some. The breeze is blowing. Dun, 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 dun. I hope you guys enjoy this weekly vlog. My days are so long. I have so much clips, and I feel like I probably won't be able to use all of them, as the vlog is going to be too long. I don't know, but I'll to be honest, there is nothing else I'm going to do in my day that I think I need to show, because an artist in the setup for YouTube, I can't record a vlog and record a sponsored video at the same time. I'm so tired. Bye.